Welcome to this overview and how-to for the LifeSaver Cube. So the LifeSaver Cube holds 5 litres of unfiltered water, and you simply add pressure using the pump to deliver clean filtered water from the tap. We've got the pump on the back side here that you just pump to add pressure. That pressure allows you to push the water through the filter and out through the tap here. The first thing you're going to need to do before you use your cube is to prime it. This is to get the filter ready to be used. Please follow the link on how to prime your cube before you start using it. Let me show you how to use it. You're going to need to remove the pump by unscrewing. Then fill it from your water source. Screw the pump back into the cube to seal it up. Just bear in mind that if you're filling this from a lake or a river where you need to scoop the water up, that you shouldn't submerge the tap. You don't want to get any dirty water, contaminated water, on the clean face of the tap. Now to get it working, just add pressure by pumping. You're going to need to pump about 30 times. Once your can is pressurised, there's 2 different ways you can use the tap to get purified water. You can turn the tap clockwise and push down for a continuous flow, or you can just push the tap down for an instantaneous flow. And that's it, as simple as that. Once you've primed your cube and you've started using it, when you put it into storage, just make sure that you always leave about 2 centimetres of water in the bottom. This is because you don't want your filter to dry out. If the filter dries out, the flow rate will slow down and you will have to replace the filter. So that's it, your cube's now ready to be used. Please see the links to our other how-to videos for all our other LifeSaver products. Thank you for watching.